TaskMagic just got a new look. Let's see what is new and how you can still make the same automations I showed on this channel while using the app. TaskMagic is an automation software you can use in your browser or as an app on your computer. When you are using the app on your computer, you can record steps on websites just like you do tasks on those websites. For example, you can upload or download files, write stuff, or click on different places on the website. Those features are great if you want to make custom automations just for your needs, and that is why I like TaskMagic a lot. They also added an AI assistant that I didn't have time to look at yet, but let's see how to get to the browser. After you log into the website, if you have a subscription, you can download the app. When you first try to use the browser step, it tells you to download TaskMagic and install it on your computer. Click on Download. Now you are in the Help section of the website. You can also get here directly from the TaskMagic home page. At the top, click on the Help section. Now find Downloads. You can also get here directly from Google by typing TaskMagic Downloads. Find the right version for your computer and download the app. You can also download the Chrome extension from here. On the website builder, you can create automations that use the built-in apps builder, and that is limited to the functions it has for each app. For the most part, you might not need the browser builder because they have a lot of apps with different steps you can use, and you don't need to record the actual website. But if you don't find in the list of apps and websites what you need, whether it is the specific website or the specific tasks you want to automate, then you need to install TaskMagic on your computer. After you install the app, log in with the email and password you used when you signed up for TaskMagic. I won't show how to create a full automation now. I just want to show you where the browser automation part is located because this has changed a lot. On the main window, you can see the AI agent, which is a nice change, especially when everything is run by AI. But if you don't have credits or the AI doesn't do what you need for your automation, you can still set up the automation manually like before. Click on the side panel. This is the automation setup they used to have in a separate window. Click on Add Step. Here, find the browser automation step. When you add it, you will get an option on the side to add the website where you want to record the automation. In the middle, you can see in the automation flow that the browser step is inside a loop. After you choose the browser, you can either use the AI to build the steps inside the browser, or you can do it manually. Click on the plus button inside the loop that was created in the automation and choose the step you want to record. For this example, I will click on the click button. Now on the side, you have the options you used to have before. To tell the browser where to click, you need to open the page. For this example, I just used Google. Then click on the menu of the Chrome browser and choose More Tools, then Developer Tools. On the side, you have the visible code of the website. Hover over the part you want to click on, and on the side it will highlight the part you need to take for the automation. Click on it with the right mouse button, then choose Copy, and you can copy the selector specifically. I guess TaskMagic again just made things more complicated when it used to be much simpler. So if this looks like a lot of work, you are right. It is. You can use the AI to do it for you. And if you have the AppSumo deal, you have some limited credits to build the automation with AI, so you can use it for this instead of doing it manually. I didn't test it yet, so if you want me to check how to use the AI for building browser automations, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, you can watch the old tutorials I made in the past and just convert everything I did there to the new way of creating browser automations.